Learn how to download and print the answers from Google Forms. Printing questions and responses. Go to Google Forms in your web browser. Click on your Google form. Click Responses. This is at the top next to Questions. Click the icon of the 3 dots. You can find this in the first tile next to the Sheets icon. Select Print All Responses. This will open the print window. Click the Destination drop-down menu and select a printer. If you have any printers connected, you'll see them listed here. Be sure to set any page, layout, or color settings. To save the responses as a PDF, select Save as PDF and choose a save destination. Microsoft devices will also have the Microsoft Print to PDF option. Click Print. The document will be sent to your printer or saved as a PDF in the designated save location. Printing data in Google Sheets. Click on your Google form. Click Responses. Click View in Sheets. Google Sheets will open in a new tab or window with the form's raw data. Format the table if desired. Click on the print icon. It's in the top left area next to the Redo button. Edit any desired settings. Click Next. This is a blue button in the top right corner. Click the Destination drop-down menu and select a printer. Click Print. The document will be sent to your printer or saved as a PDF in the designated save location. Printing a .csv file. Click Responses. Click the icon of the 3 dots. Select Download Responses. This will download the table as a .csv file, which can be read and opened by Microsoft Excel. Open the ZIP file. Double-click on the CSV to open it. This will launch the file in Microsoft Excel if set as your default program. Otherwise, you may need to specify a program. Format the table if desired. Select File and then Print. The document will be sent to your printer. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.